Wolves are highly social animals. They live in packs with a defined social structure. This structure is based on dominance and submission.
The alpha male and female lead the pack. We are typically the parents of most pack members.
The alpha pair maintains order and makes decisions for the group.
Other pack members have specific roles. These roles contribute to the pack's survival.
Wolves demonstrate their rank through body language. A raised tail and direct eye contact signal dominance. Submissive wolves lower their heads and tuck their tails.
Pack size varies depending on factors like prey availability. Larger packs can tackle bigger prey.
This social structure ensures efficient hunting and pup rearing. The pack works together as a unit. This maximizes their chances of survival in harsh environments. Wolves communicate using a complex system of vocalizations and body language. Howling is their most iconic form of communication. It serves various purposes, including pack assembly, territorial defense, and individual recognition.
A chorus of howls echoing through the forest is a chilling yet beautiful sound. It strengthens pack bonds and warns rivals to stay away.
Body language is equally important. A wolf's posture, facial expressions, and tail movements convey a wealth of information.
A playful bow invites another wolf to play. A snarl with bared teeth is a clear warning.
Wolves also use scent marking to communicate. They deposit urine and feces at strategic locations to mark their territory. This chemical communication sends a clear message to other packs. Wolves are skilled predators, relying on their intelligence and teamwork to secure food. They primarily prey on large ungulates like deer, elk, and moose. Hunting as a pack allows them to take down prey much larger than themselves.
The hunt is a carefully orchestrated event. We use our keen senses of smell, sight, and hearing to locate prey.
Once located, they fan out and strategize their approach. They often use terrain to their advantage, driving prey towards waiting pack members.
Cooperation is key during the chase. Wolves take turns pursuing the prey, wearing it down until it is exhausted.
Once the prey is brought down, the pack shares the kill. This ensures that all members, even those who didn't directly participate in the hunt, receive nourishment. Wolf pups are born blind and deaf, entirely dependent on their pack for survival. Breeding season typically occurs in late winter.
The alpha female gives birth to a litter of 4 to 6 pups. The entire pack participates in raising the pups. We regurgitate food for the growing pups and protect them from danger.
The den, often a burrow or a secluded spot, becomes a nursery and a safe haven. As the pups grow, they engage in playful activities. These activities help them develop essential hunting and social skills.
By fall, the pups are old enough to join the pack on hunts. They learn by observing and participating in the hunt. This ensures the continuation of the pack and the survival of future generations.
Section 5. This land is our land, territory, and survival. Territory is crucial for wolf packs. It provides them with access to essential resources.
These resources include food, water, and denning sites.
We defend our territories fiercely from rival packs. Territorial disputes can be brutal, sometimes resulting in injuries or death.
The size of a territory can vary depending on prey density and pack size. We mark our territory boundaries with scent markings.
This warns other packs to stay away. Within our territory, we establish a network of trails and rendezvous sites.
These locations serve as communication hubs and strategic points during hunts. Maintaining a secure and resource-rich territory is essential for the pack's survival. It ensures access to food and a safe haven to raise their young. Section 6. The alpha's burden, challenges to survival. Wolves face numerous challenges. These include habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and disease.
Habitat loss, driven by human development and deforestation, fragments wolf populations. This makes it difficult for wolves to find suitable mates and establish territories.
Human-wildlife conflict arises when wolves prey on livestock. This often leads to retaliatory killings by humans.
Diseases such as canine distemper and rabies can decimate wolf populations. Climate change adds another layer of complexity.
It alters prey availability and disrupts traditional migration patterns. These challenges highlight the importance of conservation efforts. These efforts are needed to mitigate these threats and ensure the long-term survival of wolves. Section 7. Guardians of the wild wolves and ecosystem health. Wolves play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. As apex predators, they help regulate prey populations. This prevents overgrazing and promotes biodiversity.
Their presence can have cascading effects on the entire food web. For example, by controlling deer populations, wolves can reduce browsing pressure on vegetation. This allows tree species to regenerate. It also provides habitat for a wider range of animals.
Studies have shown that the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park had a positive impact on the ecosystem. The wolves helped control elk populations, leading to the recovery of riparian areas and increased biodiversity. This highlights the ecological importance of wolves and the need to conserve them. Section 8. A world without howls. The cost of inaction. The disappearance of wolves from an ecosystem can have far-reaching consequences. Without wolves to regulate prey populations, herbivores can overgraze. This degrades plant communities and leads to habitat loss for other species.
The delicate balance of the ecosystem is disrupted. This can result in a decline in biodiversity and overall ecosystem health. Furthermore, the loss of wolves can have cultural and spiritual implications for indigenous communities.
For many indigenous cultures, wolves hold deep cultural and spiritual significance. Their absence can sever these connections to nature. It is essential to recognize the interconnectedness of all species. The loss of one species, especially a keystone species like the wolf, can have ripple effects throughout the ecosystem. Section 9. Hope on the horizon. Conservation efforts and their impact. Conservation efforts are crucial for protecting wolf populations. These efforts include habitat restoration, public education, and responsible land management practices.
Habitat restoration aims to reconnect fragmented landscapes. This allows for the movement of wolves and other wildlife. Public education is vital for fostering coexistence between humans and wolves. By understanding wolf behavior and ecology, people can learn to minimize conflicts.
Responsible land management practices, such as reducing habitat fragmentation, promoting sustainable livestock grazing, and implementing non-lethal predator control methods, can help mitigate human-wildlife conflicts. These efforts are making a difference. In some areas, wolf populations are recovering. This highlights the importance of continued conservation actions. Section 10. A call to action. Our role in their future. The survival of wolves depends on our actions. By supporting conservation organizations, advocating for wolf-friendly policies, and promoting responsible human-wildlife interactions, we can help ensure a future for these magnificent creatures.
We must recognize the intrinsic value of wolves. They are not just predators but vital members of the ecosystem. Their presence enriches our world. Let us work together to create a world where wolves and humans can coexist. A world where the haunting howl of the wolf continues to echo through the wild.
It is a call for us to become stewards of the environment. A call to protect the wild places that wolves and other creatures call home. Only then can we ensure a healthy planet for generations to come.